Hi, this is EnviroCams. In this video, I'm going to show you how you would put together our 4-part waterproof connector for our Cat 5 cable to watertight your connection to the camera. You'll see it's a 4-part assembly like I said earlier. This little jobber, little waterproof grommet, base of the unit, and a little rubber O-ring. The rubber O-ring snaps right onto the camera's RJ45 lead right there. And then you will put these on your cable before you terminate it. To make this quick, my cable's already terminated, a little cheater cable. But you'll slide this together like so. Plug into the camera. Screw tighten that down. Fit that over and tighten this down. Once everything's tightened down, this is now an outdoor ready waterproof connection. Keep your camera from burning up if it gets rained on.